Halloween is coming. Let's draw a magical candy bag and a playful black cat with Luan. Let's start by drawing a cute Halloween candy bag and a playful black cat beside it. Begin by coloring all the candies in bright rainbow colors: red, yellow, purple, green, and blue. Now color the bag with warm beige or light brown, and add a soft purple rim on top. Paint the pumpkin face with bright orange, and fill the eyes and mouth with black to make it glow. Finally, color the cat in deep gray or black, with pink inside the ears. Don't forget its shiny eyes and sweet smile. Look at that! The black cat guarding its candy treasures. Happiness is sweetest when it's shared, just like Halloween candy.